What is good? What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, guys? It's another beautiful day in sunny Kansas City, Missouri. And I really wanted to take some time out, man, to shoot this video. Just because, guys, you know, I put up a video yesterday, like a quick 5-minute video explaining MyEcon, and you might have noticed where it said holiday promotion. Right now they're running a promotion where you can actually take advantage of being a part of the company for $27. So yes, this $20 program is actually putting a lot of money in people's pockets right now, especially for the holiday. Now I haven't really talked about it as much, but I never stopped really promoting it, you know, on it. So I never said I was gonna, you know, really stop being a part of it, because it's financial literacy. And financial literacy pretty much is something that needs to be taught still out here in the marketing industry. So that's why I'm all about, you know, people to definitely checking out MyEcon, because I actually worked in the banking system before. So since I worked at 2 credit unions, I understand how to repair credit. I understand how everything literally works, from investments and, you know, different things like that, about how you let your money work for you, and, you know, you can put it in places and stocks and, you know, let that money grow. That's what a lot of wealthy people do. You know, they get in investment groups and they, you know, invest in things and they get payouts, and, you know, it's just how it goes. And if you're a part of the right group, the right people, you're going to get that information. Now with MyEcon there's multiple things here that, you know, we offer here. We teach you how to actually fix your credit. That's one of our marquee products, you know, where you might hear everybody say, you know, increase your credit score, increase your credit class, you know, but there's steps that you have to do to take those steps as well. But we also show you how to put money back into your pocket, what is called income shifting. So we show you how to take your W-4 and fill it out the correct way. So then that way, you know, once you become a small business owner, which that's what you will become when you're involved in MyEcon, that gives you opportunity now to have more allowances, which, you know, for you to utilize to get more money back on your check. So then that way, when you do file, you know, your taxes, you show that you have an online business. So we actually talk about that. We show you how to do those type of things inside of this business here. And you should definitely check it out, guys. You know, so that's one of our things. We also give you discounts on travel. There's a lot more, you know, that we offer outside of that. And then there's so many people making so much money with the business as well. We get paid every Friday from just sharing this opportunity with people and how they can repair their own credit. So, you know, if you know that you're going to be in the market, so like you say next year, you know, let's hypothetically say, you know, people are going to get their income taxes, and some people are going to have to go to buy here, pay here lots, because they're going to want cars. And those buy here, pay here lots take advantage. I'm in Missouri. The max percentage, I think, is what, 21% interest rate. So you're paying for a car twice. Think about somebody that goes to a car, buys it at auction for $5 grand, rakes the price all the way up to about 12, and then put a 21% interest rate on it, all because of your credit class. Your credit, it costs you more money to have bad credit more than anything, guys. So that's why I say you want to make sure that you're doing the right thing as far as getting your credit together. So then that way you can go and look into investments where you can take money and get correct lending from the traditional lender and get funded for, you know, properties and different things like that. So guys, it's all in the pudding, baby. We got marketing systems designed for you and set up. And for you guys pretty much here, you know, I'm utilizing a simple system right now. I'm testing it out. And it's just, you know, just cut and dry for a new person that wants to pretty much make money online. And with the system, it allows you pretty much, you know, you can follow up with your leads. It's training in the back office. It's drip training. Pretty much it doesn't allow you to go to the next video until you watch a certain percentage of the video. So guys, this is designed to help the new person out that's looking to be online. Now, if you're more established, you know, you're looking to build your brand, you know, you want to build things for your own team, we have a system which is called the Conversion Pros. The Conversion Pros allows you to build marketing systems around any business or any platform that you have, and pretty much, you know, allow you to make money. I built multiple marketing systems around different programs and offered them to those particular businesses and made money with the system. And that's exactly, so it's not only that you can make money with your main program, you can also let people know with this system, you know, you can go out here and build your own sales funnels. You can go purchase leads in the back office, you know, interview leads, real-time leads. So I'm going to drop some information here that's going to be at the bottom for you guys to check it out. And definitely look forward to, you know, working with you guys. So yes, that $27 program is making some money. Yes, my other $50 program, $25 program, and I'm gonna say this, guys, okay? So I don't get nobody confused when I say this. The Conversion Pros I was mentioning about the marketing system, it is free for your first 14 days, okay? And then from there, it is $50 a month. When you go out and refer this business to others, the company pays you 50% residual, so $25 residual income, guys. Okay. Now with MyEcon, I just want you to check out the presentation with that, because you get paid so many ways, from residual all the way down to, you know, overrides. I mean, a lot of money being made. So it's about to be real cold, man. It's gonna be a cold winter. A lot of money's being made, and I'm excited. I hope you guys are watching this. I hope you guys are ready to get involved, because I'm here to help you out. So guys, it's your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Until the next video, I'm out. Peace.